Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Moon token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase BNB on Binance, transfer it over to your smart chain on your Trust Wallet, and then go ahead and swap it for the Moon token. I'd just like to let you guys know as well, I do have lots of cryptocurrency tutorials coming out showing you guys how to sell, how to buy, and more. So if you guys are interested in cryptocurrencies, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll be having daily content from here on out. Anyhow, just stay tuned and I'll show you guys exactly how to get the Moon token. First step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And that's just going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB, or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now, I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now, what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network, and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once your BNB is in your Smart Chain wallet here, all you guys have to do is add the Moon token to Trust Wallet, and you guys can do that by going to the first link I have in the description. It'll be over to BSC scan, and all you have to do is copy the contract address and then come back into your Trust Wallet and paste it in. So if we just head over to that link I have in the description, it'll bring over to this BSC scan website. All you guys have to do is scroll down here where it says contract and click beside it so you guys can copy it. Once it is copied, we can go back over to Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet, we want to go to the top right of the screen where you see the two lines and the two circles. Click on that. and then go up to the top search, click on it, and paste it in. Once you guys have pasted it in, you will see the MoonToken pop up here. So we're just going to click on Enable beside it, and then click on Done. Once that is done, we're going to have to go over to the browser. If you guys don't have your browser here, you just have to go to the second link I have in the description. It'll be over to Trust Wallet's support website. And all you guys have to do is follow these 3 steps to get your browser enabled. So if we just go here to step 1, we're just going to click on the browser enable link right there. It's then going to pop this up here asking you to open the page in Trust Wallet. And then once you guys do that, it will then add the browser into the bottom of your Trust Wallet. Once you guys are done doing that and it's in your wallet, you can then go over to the browser and you want to go over to Pancakeswap. Now, if this is your first time using Pancakeswap, you will have to connect your wallet. And to do that, if you just go to the top of your screen where you see the connect button, click on that and then click on Trust Wallet. You will then see your wallet ID up in the top there. Then we can go over to Exchange. And if you just look at your balance, just make sure your balance is there as well. If you guys don't see your balance there, but you have BNB in your Trust Wallet, just go ahead and make sure it's in your Smart Chain wallet. If you have it in your BNB wallet by accident, just go ahead and click on the BNB, click on the dots, and then click on Swap Smart Chain. You will then see the balance in your BNB portion on the exchange here. Now, all we have to do is click on Select a Currency, and we're going to paste that same address we got from BSC Scan into this portion as well. Once we paste it, it's then going to pop up the MoonToken. You just want to click on Add and then click on the token. We now have to set our slippage tolerance to 12%. To change your slippage tolerance, you want to go up to the top of the screen beside Exchange, click on the 3 lines, and you can change your slippage tolerance here to 12%. Now, you guys can play around with the slippage tolerance if you would like to. This is the most commonly used slippage tolerance for these tokens, though. That's why I usually use it for myself. Anyhow, you could just exit out of here when you're done, and then all you have to do is decide how much BNB that you guys want to transfer into the MoonToken. So let's just say if I wanted to do 0.2, I could type in 0.2, and it will then show me how much MoonToken I'll get in exchange for my 0.2 BNB. Now, if you guys are comfortable with this transaction here, you just want to click on the swap button or confirm button where it says insufficient BNB balance on my screen. And then once you guys click on that, it will then show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your exchange rates and your fees you're going to pay and things like that. If you guys are then okay with that, you can then click on confirm at that portion. And then we could exit out of Pancakeswap here and your MoonToken will arrive in your wallets, usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the MoonToken. This video does help you out. Be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.